I'm going to start this beef Kielbasa with sauerkraut. Start it on the top of the stove. Then I'm going to put it in the oven. All I'm doing now is just browning this up. I already set the oven up at 300. I'm going to put the sauerkraut in here, drained and uncooked. I'll give that 2 minutes, and we don't have to watch that. That's been a few minutes now. I'll get finished here. I'm going to put some Riesling wine in there. The sauerkraut. The rest of the ingredients. And the water. That should do it. We'll put this in the oven. And we'll see what happens. Maybe for a half hour. Well, after about 15 minutes, and I raised the flame to 400. We'll give this a mix. Now, if you like a lot of sauerkraut, you can just add more to it. Ooh, banging, sorry. Well, it smells good. 50 minutes and we're done. 3 portions are there. Unless you have a few women that don't like to eat more than 2 pieces, then you have 4 portions. Anyway, hope you enjoy this.